But anyway, that was the Alabama Car Show here in Birmingham, Alabama. And they had all different makes and models represented. You know, it wasn't nothing that spectacular. It's common, really common vehicles. Yeah, they had some Mercedes and Infinities out there. A little step up, but there wasn't no Porsche, wasn't no Corvette, wasn't no Lamborghini or Ferrari, anything like that. I actually gotta hit the like button, share button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll hit the notification button so you know when I'm doing an upload. And again, I thank you for watching. As you guys here, look at the city here. It's the city of Birmingham downtown, at the Civic Center and the BJCC. Birmingham is nothing like Atlanta. Birmingham a little bit on the well, there's a lot on the conservative side. Kind of very boring. But it is the city that I was born in, and I have recently been back here about 10 years now, a little over 10 years, and I have a home here now. And maybe one day I'll be able to relocate and go back to Atlanta, Georgia. This is the Sheraton Hotel, one of the biggest hotels here in Birmingham. This is a new interstate system that you're looking at with the lights on it. They just completed that earlier this year. They replaced the whole 59 north and 59 south corridor. They replaced all this. It cost millions of dollars to do. But it was an old city, and it was due for an upgrade. They're trying to bring Birmingham into the 21st century. I don't think Birmingham will never be an Atlanta, but it won't even be close. But at least it'll be a 21st century city. But you got the Mopar boys down here, 5 or 6 of them.